one community in our area where they will have to take a different sort of precaution next time there is severe weather.
Let's go up to KMBC 9's Brenda Washington in Pleasant Valley right now. Brenda?
Well, Chris, I can tell you that the tornado siren here in Pleasant Valley should be standing up in the air right here next to the fire department, but instead it's on the ground. We're talking about 60-foot pole, and there you have it. That's the siren right there, and there's another piece of it, a large piece of it, lying beside it along with the various wires. The police chief says this all came down during Sunday's storms. The wind just ripped it out of the ground. So what are the folks here in Pleasant Valley going to do in the meantime? If there is a tornado threat, we were told that paramedics, fire crews, and also police officers, they're going to be sounding their sirens, going up and down the streets here in Pleasant Valley, also using their sound systems to let folks know when they need to take cover. But of course, they still need to pay attention, all of us, of course, to television and radio when it comes to inclement weather. But again, we're told that this will probably take anywhere from maybe 8 weeks or a little bit longer to replace.